To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. Then, open any conversation from your direct messages. Next, tap the plus icon inside the message box. In the pop-up menu, you will see the new Draw option. If you don't see it, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. You will now see various pen styles. Select the one you like. Then use the slider on the left to adjust the pen size, and then choose a color from the palette at the bottom. Now, write anything on any message of your choice. When you are finished, tap the Send button. Your drawing will be sent with the message. When the recipient checks their inbox, they will see that you have sent a doodle. Upon opening the chat, they will see the doodle exactly as you created it, in the same spot. If the recipient long presses the doodle, they will see options to delete it or hide all. The doodle feature lets you add a personal, creative touch to your messages, making chats more fun and expressive. So that's how you can send doodles on Instagram messages.